Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi girl, my name is Bree. I'm an LA-based makeup artist as well as a beauty content creator. I create nothing but beauty content on TikTok and Instagram, so if you haven't followed me there already, girl, what are you doing? It is a full look and full unboxing of Milani PR. I am just shook that they even freaking know who I am. I don't hold up too much of your time because we all know what the video is about. We're gonna jump right in, grab your snack, grab your brushes, and keep on watching. Oh my god, guys, okay. You guys already know what this video is about because you freaking clicked. You don't understand the amount of excitement I have right now for this entire video because it's gonna be a long one. I'm just letting you know. Oh, Milani PR. This one definitely means the fucking world to me because Milani is one of the first brands that I actually started with. So many things. I'm gonna have obviously visuals on the screen for you guys per usual because you know I got you. You know I got the swatches. I'm gonna do my eye look on camera with you guys though because they sent a lot of eyeshadow. The Gilded Most Loved Mattes. They sent, okay, so everything they sent me is their Milani favorites, like hits, bestsellers. So that is the matte palette, and then this one is another like, they sent two like face and shadow palettes, eyes, cheek, and face, and I'm fucking obsessed. I can't wait to try the blushes and the highlights that are in here. This other one, very baby doll pink vibe, and I am obsessed with this shadow right here in the center. I'm just gonna going in. Already prepped with my P. Louise Rumor 2 base. This is my holy grail base when I do eyeshadow looks in general. It doesn't matter what kind of eyeshadow look, it's gonna be the P. Louise base. Go ahead and take their matte palette to start off. I think I'll add some cinnamon spice to it too for the drama. First, I'm going in with No Plum Intended. That is this shade right here. I have it on the lid, and I'm gonna be showing you guys like where I'm packing it to because this is gonna be kind of a drama filled look. I'm actually really happy that they sent me their eyeshadow palettes along with everything else that's their bestseller. I already know what I love from Milani because I am an avid Milani shopper, but I have never used their eyeshadows before, and by far, like right now, I'm liking it. It's very easy to blend and work with. They melt into the base, which is like my favorite part. So far, I'm obsessed with how the shadows are blending out. I'm having no issue at all. But you guys, I'm looking at the palette too, like as I'm doing my eyeshadow. The mattes are gorgeous. For the everyday girl, this would be your palette. It has all of the neutral shades, but it also has some mauves and some warm tones that you could stir up a look with. I went ahead and deepened the crease with Cinnamon Spice, that like brown shade. And now I'm just going ahead and blending everything together so that I get that like blown out look. That's what I love in my eyeshadow applications. The brush that I'm using, M519 brush from Morphe, and then what I use for the main like placement and blending, M456. I actually just went to Morphe and picked these brushes up again. Like I picked up more because these are just my favorite. Whatever I had left on my concealer brush from the P. Louise base is what I'm placing on my crease. I also want to mention I'm not caring too much how sharp the crease is because I am going to go over with a glitter shadow that I saw in the other palette. I'm just going ahead and blending out everything with the base because that's what I really care about, is that everything looks seamlessly blended. I don't really care too much about how sharp the crease is today because I am going to be going in with a glitter over top. Taking this all-inclusive eye and cheek palette, it doesn't have a name on it. One is more like orange and one is more deep inside. Okay, very pink, giving very Barbie. I'm gonna go in with this glitter, guys. I'm obsessed. I sprayed it with my Rare Beauty Always an Optimist spray just to give it a little bit of like a vibrancy. Love it. I also went in with the highlight shade on the like center, kind of like in the tear duct. This is the highlight. I'm obsessed. I'm just going crazy for the glitters. They look so bomb and they're very creamy, I have to admit. By themselves, they're gorgeous, but if you just spray your brush just a little bit, it really does help with the shine if you want like more of like a high intense kind of pigment. Off of camera, I finished my eye look. I added some lashes. I did my base. We're gonna jump into face products now. They sent me a lot of complexion products. They sent me the rest of their Cheek Kiss collection. I already have one that is called Cherry-ish You. If you guys have been watching me, I always talk about it. Coral Crush, which is a beautiful coral. And if you guys already know, like if you've been watching me for a while, I always talk about the Milani Cheek Kiss collection because it is that girl. I have Nude Kiss, which I'm excited to try. I think I might wear this one today to match my eye look. I am currently baking underneath my eyes right now. Blushing Berry. This is fucking gorgeous. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this one. I feel like this one for my eye look, not right now, but OMG, Merlot Moment, which is also a vibe. Oh my god, I'm excited. I might mix this one with the Nude Kiss. So I'll get this question, like, why are you putting creams on top of powder? Honestly, the only area that's powdered is my under eye. Like, my cheek is still wet. I haven't set anything, so I am going to be going in over top of my foundation. You can go in very lightly on top of powder. I've tried it myself. It worked. If you were to do that with, like, the e.l.f. putty bronzer, putty blush thing, no, absolutely not. Otherwise, I just honestly prefer Milani's formula over e.l.f. in the cream category because Milani just knows how to do it. They know how to make a very ultra pigmented cream blush. Works well with other products. I feel like the e.l.f., if you put on your foundation and you set your foundation and then you go over top with it, it's just gonna fuck it up. On the back of my sponge, I've been using this for my face right now so it's not dirty. I don't want to see those comments. I placed it where I would like it to be. I'm gonna go ahead and start tapping my setting powder. I'm not gonna be swiping it and making it all messed up. I'm just gonna be tapping it so that way it doesn't disturb the cream product. How Nude Kiss looks so far. I'm obsessed, to say the fucking least. I think I will go over top with Merlot Moment. What do you guys think? For purposes, I'm gonna do it. Oh wow. Oh, this is the, oh my god, this is the exact berry pink. I've been looking for her. I have been looking high and dry for a blush like this. Mixing them together, chef kiss, but I'm very sure alone it's a standalone product. It's in gigs. I'm gonna go ahead into the hairline also. This is a vibe. I'm living. Okay, I already knew that I loved the Milani Cheek Kiss collection, but I didn't have all the shades, girl. I did not wanted to like buy the rest of them, but I was just kind of unsure, especially since we can't swatch in the stores now. I feel like that's kind of like an inconvenience, but COVID and we all understand. But bitch, this is a vibe. I can't stop and I won't stop. Okay, for blushes, like they're baked blushes that we know and fucking love, bitch. They sent me over my two favorites, Dulce Pink and Luminoso. You guys know I've been using this forever. I'm obsessed with Dulce Pink right now. It's like one of my favorites. Luminoso is just that girl for me. I've always been a Luminoso girl. I've literally been through like 5 of these in the past 4 years. Thank you, Milani. I don't know if you guys sent me this like intentionally knowing that these are my faves, but they are, and I'm fucking grateful. And over their baked bronzer, and it is in the shade Glow. I just did a TikTok using this and I love it. So I'm gonna go over top of the Cheek Kiss with the Glow baked bronzer. When I say baked bronzer or baked blush, that means that it has shimmer particles in it because it is a baked formula. If you're not a fan of like that shimmer and sparkle, these aren't the ones for you. I would recommend just going with a matte blush or like a matte bronzer, or just sticking to the creams and like maybe going over with translucent powder. But if you like that shine and you like that little glow, these are the ones for you. Very warm and glowy. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna do a little turn side to side for you guys so you can see like it does have a glow shift to it. Finally, I stood away from glow like products for a long time. I feel like I used to use so much shimmer bronzer for a moment and then I just stopped liking that look, but this has completely changed my mind and I'm gonna be reaching for this a lot more now because it's just that girl. It's just that girl. Very warm, glowy, but it's like it's giving and it's not overpowering. I feel like I used to use like the Sephora collection shimmer bronzers and it was just high intense freaking shine over a highlighter, and this is the shade Champagne Doro. I don't know if I'm saying it right. I think I am, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna go over top of my bronzing and blush applications just to see what's up, because I haven't used a highlighter from Milani ever. Sickening. She's fucking sickening. Oh my god, I'm actually really in love with the highlight, and I haven't been leaning towards highlight that much. Like I said, over the years I used to just pack on the highlight, girl, and I stopped because I was just like, I'm looking more matte, I'm looking more older, minimalistic. I like it a lot better. This highlight, it's giving. And their Make It Last setting sprays, they also sent me the matte one. I actually really do prefer the dewy, the original Make It Last. This one to set my entire face, obviously. Remember when I first started in makeup, I used to shop all the time at Target because I worked there. So I would grab anything Milani to to test it out on my Instagram stories. If you guys are still here with me till this day, I appreciate you so freaking much, because little old me did not ever think that Milani would notice me ever, and it's just like full circle for me. Remember that I tested out this Make It Dewy on my Instagram stories and I liked it, but I just always stuck to the original because it did have alcohol in it, and that like is to set all the powders in place, making it unbreakable. I used to watch Manny MUA, and he is still to this day one of my favorite YouTubers, but when he would try anything Milani or recommend anything Milani, I would run to fucking Target, well, to my job. I would just run to the freaking aisles. Just sprayed it right now, and the smell just brought me back. You guys ever notice that too? Like if you're using a makeup product like that you use at like a certain point in your life or a certain time, and it just reminds you of like everything going on during that time, and then you revisit it, you rebuy the product, you revisit it, and you're just like, wow, like I just got a whiff of like how my life was like in that time. I don't know if it's just me, but like I get that way with scents and smells, and this one just did that for me. Oh my god, so much to me that Milani even reached out, because you guys, like, it's never about the free product for me. It's always about how the brand supports me as a creator and believes, and they just trust my work, they invest in my craft, and like they respect me. I put on a PR list or even just gifted a box or whatever, it just means the most to me that the brand even trusts me to represent them, and like they believe in my mission and my values and what I am and who I am as a creator, and it means so much more than the free stuff. Over so many lip products, like I don't even know where to start, but these are the plumping glosses. They sent me a bunch of them. I did give some to my mom. Okay, I don't have everything here. I'm using everything that I am gonna be keeping. The rest I gave to my mom because she's my #1 supporter. She deserves it. They're lip liners, which honestly I never even, when I go shopping at Ulta, I never even noticed that they had lip liners. So I'm really excited because y'all know I'm a lip liner girl. First of all, you guys know I love lip liners and I love doing lip combos on TikTok. So I think that's why they sent me all these lip things. But these are all of the shades, so I'm gonna swatch them and then we'll do a cute little lip moment. Went in on myself with Rich Cocoa. You guys already know I love a good 90s lip, and like a dark lip liner and a nude in the center. I'm thinking I'm gonna top it off with Champagne Lip Plumper. It's like a nudie pink. Point this out really quick. What I like about the lip liners that they have is that they are the retractable ones. You can just twist up and down and then more product will come out as you go. I like that. I prefer that. Sometimes, you know, I do like a wooden pencil and everything, but we don't always have a sharpener. Sometimes my stuff goes missing because I misplace everything. So these are really clutch, especially if you're on the go, like for your makeup bag or your purse or whatever. I would highly recommend these. These are $4. I'm taking the nudie shade. This is in Tease, and I love this shade. I used it last night on some of my TikToks, and it is gorgeous. Bitch, I'm fucking obsessed. I love it. It's that perfect powdery like nude, but it's immaculate. The vibes are immaculate. Cute bestie. Okay, let's go in with Champagne, the nudie pink. This is like a lip plumper. It does have a little bit of a shine and sparkle to it. Let's see how it smells. Oh wow, it smells very minty. So just so you know how it smells, minty fresh, but not like, kind of like gum. Added it to the center. What do you guys think? I think it looks cute. I'm waiting to feel like a tingling sensation because usually lip plumpers give me that, like that tingling feeling. I don't feel anything. Really shook right now. I'm obsessed with the lip plumper. Guys, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I'm actually really obsessed with everything. Like when it comes to eyes, base, lips, everything. I'm obsessed. Guys, so much for watching today's video. It means the freaking world to me. Say thank you to Milani one last time because girl, you guys saw me. You saw something in me. If not, you would have never sent me this makeup, and I am just extremely thankful. You don't understand. Like from the bottom of my heart, this means so much to me. Anytime a brand gives me makeup, you know, it means a lot, especially as a smaller creator. But oh my god, okay, I never told anybody this, but a long time ago, like when I first started my Instagram page, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go follow me. So in 2017 I started that Instagram page, right? and I was getting like likes from brands because I was tagging them, but I never got like slid into the DMs. I never got like any comments or nothing. I just would get like little likes, and that would even mean the world to me. I remember I wrote on a piece of paper one day a bunch of brands that I wish would notice me or in some way interact with me, maybe send me a DM, like a little double tap on my story or whatever. And Milani was one of them. I never really thought that they would notice me, you guys. Like, oh my god. Thank you so much. Absolutely never be happening if it wasn't for your guys' support and loyalty to me as a creator. You don't understand the crazy year I've had, okay? I jumped on TikTok. I had a lot of learning to do, and I have done that. I feel like I can reflect back at the year and be happy with my progress and everything. And if you're new here, welcome to my little beauty family. I want to thank you again. Just a bunch of thank yous. I'm hosting a giveaway soon, and if you guys want to stay tuned on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me because I will have details coming. Stop rambling now, but I love you guys with all my heart, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.